Hello and welcome everyone. So in this video we will learn how to draw this particular drawing that is visible on your screen. So without further delay, let's start to draw this image. Now to start the drawing, we will use the line command and simply press L and then enter. Then we will specify any point from which we want to start the drawing. Now the coordinate system that we can use any coordinate system, but in this particular case, as more angles are involved, so we should prefer the polar coordinate system. Now side of this particular object is 30 units, and the angles that are shown as internal angle, as you are able to see on the lower right side of the screen on this side, that image is shown. So all the angles that are there which are inside that particular polygon, they are 60 degree and 90 degree. So let's start with this drawing, and at the end of this one I'll explain a shorter method as well to draw this same image. So at the rate, side is 30 and angle is 0 degree, press enter. Now all the sides are 30 units, and angle we need to mention. So this time as well, side is 30, and then what is the angle this time? Angle this time is 60 degree from x-axis. Now the next side we need to draw, basically the angle between this and the next side will be 60 degree. So in order to draw this 60 degree, if the line would have been like this one, the angle would have been 0, and at this particular case the angle would have been 90. So basically we need this angle, that means minus 60. Okay, so this time as well 30 and angle will be minus 60, and then enter. So take a look. After that, again side will be 30 and angle will be 0 degree this time. Again side will be 30 and angle will be 90 degree this time. Now after that, just take a look. After this particular case, the next angle that we need to draw basically will be this angle. Okay, now in this particular case, what will be the angle? The angle will be 90 degree then plus 60 degree. So 90 plus 60, that will be 150 degree. So at the rate 30 is the side and angle is 150, then press enter. Now take a look. This time we need the angle of 30 degree, because this will be the angle from x-axis. So side is 30 and angle will be 30. Now we need to move vertically upwards, so side will be 30 and angle will be 90. Similarly, this time side will be 30 and angle this time will be 180 degree. Okay, then press enter. Now take a look. We need to make an angle of 60 degree from here. So basically this time the angle will be either 180 plus 60, okay, or basically the angle 90 plus 30. Okay, so let's take side as 30 and angle will be 180 plus 60. So 180 plus 60, this angle will be 240 and then enter. Now take a look, the side is formed. Now this time the angle will be 90 plus 30 degree. So at the rate 30 is this side, then 90 plus 30, angle will be 120. Next one will be, side will be 30 and angle will be 180. Then this time we need to move vertically downwards. Okay, so this angle from x-axis will be this angle 180 plus 90. That means either we need to put 270 or we can put the angle as minus 90 as well. Okay, now take a look. Now we need to draw this particular side. Okay, so basically this is your 0 degree angle. Now if we take a look, what will be the value of negative movement? That will be minus 30 degrees. So at the rate, side is 30 and angle this time is minus 30, and then enter. Now we need to move in this direction, and what will be the value? That will be 90 till this point, and then you need to move further. That will be 90 plus 60, that will be minus 150 degree angle. So at the rate, 30 is the side, angle is minus 150, and then enter. And after that, side is 30 and angle this time is, we can place 270 or minus 90, it will not make any difference. Okay, and here's our drawing. Now if you observe closely, you will see that this particular drawing is symmetrical about this particular line, about this particular line. Now before moving further, let's put the dimension for angle. So to put dimension for angle, you will select angular, dim angular, then you will select the first line and second line, and you will place the dimension. And you can repeat the same command for other angles as well, and it's quite easy. Okay, and for sides, we can also use dim linear. For side, we can use dim linear or aligned, whatever you want. So use this side starting from this, and again select any one from this side. So if I talk about similarity, so let's select this X line, and let me change the color of this X line to yellow. Now suppose that if I draw this particular line, now the color is not properly visible, let's select red. Now the line, this image is symmetrical about this particular axis. Okay, that means if we can create the lower half of this image, we can create the remaining upper half. Now the next thing is, if I talk about this axis, then in this case as well, if we create the lower half, we can basically mirror image the upper half as well. So these are two other methods by which you can create half of the drawing, and then you can create the mirror image. Now let us first change the line thickness. So select all the similar lines and change line weight. Okay, now the drawing looks a little bit better. Now we can change the dimension color as well. So select all the dimensions, select similar, and then change their color to whatever else color you want. So this is our drawing. Now let's take a look. If I want to create a mirror image, so suppose that I'm starting from this particular point. So select line, specify the first point, and then move. So let us take the black color. Now we need to move vertically downwards, right? So how we are going to do that? So side will be 30 and then angle will be minus 90. Okay, now next angle that we know is side is 30 and angle will be minus 30. After that, side is 30 and angle this time is 180 plus 30. You can put 210, or you can basically put the negative value as well. So 210, then side is 30, angle this time will be minus 90. Then again we are going to move 30, angle this time will be 0. Then 30, angle this time will be 60. Then 30, and angle here it will be basically this particular angle is 60. So we need to find out the angle from this side. So it will be minus 60. So angle minus 60, enter, then at the rate 30, and angle is 0. So take a look. I have created half of this drawing. Okay, the remaining half I can create using the mirror command. Okay, so simply click on mirror. Now as soon as you select mirror, it will ask you to select the objects that you want to mirror image. So select all of these lines. Let me select all of these lines, then click on mirror. Now it will ask you to specify the mirror line. So mirror line is the line at which you are placing the mirror. Okay, so just place the mirror line like this and take a look. Your image is created. So it's asking whether you want to erase the source object. So click no, and this is how your drawing is created. So these are two different methods by which you can create this particular drawing. I hope you have enjoyed the procedure. So in case of any issue, any doubts, just post your comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone, and have a nice day.